Smart Selection in VS Code lets you quickly expand your selection based on the program structure of the file. For example, if I put the cursor on this diagnostics property here and I trigger Smart Selection on macOS, that would be Command, Control, Shift, and then right arrow. First, it will expand out to be the entire property name, and as I keep hitting the right arrow, it will keep expanding until it's including more of these sub-expressions, so the property accesses here, until I get to that function call, and eventually it'll be this entire return statement. If I then keep hitting Smart Selection to expand out, eventually I'll get the entire if conditional, then the entire body of the method here, then the entire method itself, and then the whole class, and eventually the whole file. This is really useful if you just want to quickly make a selection and expand it so you can operate on a larger chunk of the program. So if I wanted to delete this entire range here, instead of just making a selection like that, I can just put the cursor here, hit Smart Selection a few times, and then hit delete, and I've gone and deleted that entire statement safely. VS Code out of the box includes Smart Selection support for JavaScript, TypeScript, CSS, HTML, JSON, and then extensions can come along and add Smart Selection for other languages. Just to show how it works in HTML, for example, first we'll try to expand smartly to attributes, then the entire tag here, and then the entire line, then the entire contents of the parent tag, and I can use this to quickly navigate through my document and make large edits if I wanted to. So that is Smart Selection in VS Code.